There is first do everything your wife tells you to do when it comes to the kids. But the second thing would be, I think we're always very busy, and this is, I believe, it's a misconception that work comes first. And I believe we sometimes work so hard to reach somewhere, and that somewhere is to spend time with the family. So what I did, I switched that. I started prioritizing spending time with family over work. That doesn't mean I don't work. I still work quite a lot, but having that shift of priorities, I do work. That's a little claim, but I do. It's very important. And again, this started for me with the pandemic, where I decided to spend more time with the Tilan first and my niece after. And to be part of Cetaphil gave me this routine. I took care of bath, and I took care of applying the creams, and then the creams became a spa, the spa becomes playing time, and that's how you start building a relationship with the girls. And now I'm at the stage of educating them about men. So they have to stay away from men till they are 21. I have 2 shotguns at home, and no men will be allowed in my house till I say so. Clearly, I have no power over that and no control. But anyways, it's really like just that. Just spending time with them is something that is very fulfilling, and I believe that a lot of that, including myself, we kind of think that work comes first, and at the end of the day, family comes first. And I think if I have to give any tip, that would be my tip for every father out there. And to the